Hello students, my name is Shaina Gupta and I'm an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today the topic that we are going to discuss is types of partners. In India, there are certain types of partners that we see in the partnership firms. Let's discuss them one by one. The first one is active or working partner. As name suggests, these contribute actively in the management. Such a partner contributes his capital and also takes active part in the management of the firm. The liability of that person is unlimited for the firm's debt. He is known to the outsiders as a part of the company. He shares the profit of the firm and he is a full-fledged partner of the firm. Sleeping or a dormant partner, as name suggests, they does not participate actively. They are sleeping or in the name only, but they share the capital. The sleeping or inactive partner simply contributes his capital. He does not take active part in the management of the firm. He shares the profit. He takes the share from the profit of the firm and contribute to the losses of the firm. His liability is unlimited to the firm's debt, and he is not known to outside world as the part of the organization or the firm. Now comes secret partner. This type of partners contribute capital, take active part in the management of the firm's business, take part of the share profits and contribute to the losses. His liability is unlimited towards the firm's debt. However, the connection that is connected or part of the organization is not known to the outside world. Then comes limited partners. The liability of such a partner is limited to the extent of his share in the capital and the profit of the firm. He is not entitled to take active part in the management of the business firm. The firm is not dissolved or not affected by any event that happens to the limited partner. Then partners in profits only. Now here he shares only in the profit of the firm but does not contribute towards the losses of the firms. His liability for the firm debts is unlimited, but he is not allowed to take part in the firm of the management. Such a partner is associated for his money or goodwill. Then comes nominal or ostensible or quasi partners. Now, such a partner is neither contributes capital nor takes part in the management of business. If he is not contributing money, he is not taking part in the management work. Now why is he a partner of the firm? Now he even also is not liable to get the profit or contribute towards the losses. Here the partner, he is made partner only because of his name or his reputation that can benefit the firm. He represents himself or knowingly allows himself to be represented as a partner. He comes liable to the outsiders for the debts of the firm. The nominal partner that we know can be of two types: partner by estoppel or partner by holding out. So now what is partner by estoppel? A person who by his words, either spoken or written, or conduct represents himself as a partner, becomes liable to those who advance money to the firm on the basis of such representation. He cannot avoid the consequences of his previous acts. Suppose a rich man, Mohan, is not a partner, but he tells Sohan that he is a partner in the firm called Shipra Enterprises. Now, on this impression, Sohan sells goods worth rupees 20,000 to the Shipra Enterprises. Later on, firm was not able to pay the amount. Sohan can recover the amount, the above said amount from Mohan. Why? Because here Mohan is a partner by estoppel. Then comes partner by holding out. Now, when a person is declared that he is a partner of the firm, he does not deny this even after becoming aware of it, he becomes liable to the third party who lends money or credit to the firm on the basis of such declaration. Suppose Shipra tells Sohan in the presence of Mohan that Mohan is a partner in the firm of Chopra Enterprises. Mohan does not deny it. Later on, Sohan gives loan of rupees 20,000 to Shipra Enterprises on the basis of the impression that Mohan is also part of the Shipra Enterprises. Now, firm fails to repay the money, the loan to Sohan. So Mohan will become liable, that he will be liable to pay 20,000 rupees to Sohan. Now why Mohan is liable? Because here Mohan is a partner by holding out. He has been declared as a partner of the firm. He did not deny it. That's why he became the partner by holding out. Now there is also minor that can be a partner. So now if a minor that is below 18 years of age, if any kid is part of a partnership firm as a partner, what happens to him? Now minor person is any person who has not completed 18 years of his age. A minor cannot become a partner because he is not qualified to enter into a contract, but he may be admitted to the benefit of the partnership with the mutual consent of all the partners. Now, on being so admitted, if he is been admitted as a partner with the mutual consent of all the members, a minor will become entitled to share in the profits of the firm. Now he can get the part of the profit from the firm. He can inspect and copy the books of account of firm, but he cannot take active part in the management of the firm. His liability is limited to the extent of his capital share of his share in the capital and profit of the firm. He cannot file a suit against the firm or its partners to get his share except when he wants to dissociate himself with the firm. Now, after becoming a major, now if he crossed 18 years of age, what happens then? Then he must give a public notice within 6 months if he want to break off his connection with the partnership firm. If he has not given such kind of notice within the 6 months, or if he decides to be remaining as a part of the firm, he then becomes liable to an unlimited extent for the debts of the firm from the date he was admitted to the benefit of the partnership. He also becomes entitled to take active part in the management of the firm's business. Then last comes sub-partners. Now he is the third person with whom a partner agrees to share his profit desired from the firm. He does not take part in the management of the firm, and he is not liable for the firm's debts. That's all about the kinds of partners that are seen in the partnership firms in India. I hope the concept or the topic is clear to you. For similar kinds of videos, please keep watching RPIIT Academics channel. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.